Hello everyone, and welcome to this video where we're going to be discussing the topic of how to make friends. Making friends can be challenging, especially if you're in a new place, or if you just want to expand your social circle. But don't worry, because in this video, we'll be covering some tips and tricks to help you make new friends. Number 1. Be yourself. The most important thing to remember when making new friends is to be yourself. People can easily tell when someone is pretending to be someone they're not, so it's essential to be genuine and authentic. By being yourself, you'll attract people who appreciate you for who you are, and who will become lifelong friends. Number 2. Get involved. Another great way to make friends is by getting involved in activities you enjoy. Joining a club, volunteering, or participating in a sports team can be a great way to meet new people who share similar interests. This not only provides you with a common ground, but it also gives you a chance to bond and create lasting relationships. Number 3. Be social. It may sound obvious, but being social is an essential part of making new friends. Try to attend events, parties, and gatherings, where you can meet new people and engage in conversations. Even small talk can lead to deeper connections, and before you know it, you could be making new friends. Number 4. Be friendly and approachable. When meeting new people, it's crucial to be friendly and approachable. Smile, make eye contact, and show genuine interest in others. People are more likely to be drawn to you if they feel comfortable and relaxed around you. Number 5. Be patient. Making friends takes time, and it's important to be patient. Don't expect to make a new best friend overnight. Building a friendship takes effort and commitment, so be patient and enjoy the journey. To conclude, making friends can be a rewarding experience, and by following these tips, you can increase your chances of making new friends. Remember, the key to making friends is to be yourself, get involved, be social, be friendly, and be patient. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful content. Have a great day, and good luck making new friends.